Instead of store-bought cookies, let's make these vanilla butter cookies with cashew cream filling. Hey, I'm Chef Kyle from Kyle's Creations, here to make simple and healthy recipes for everyday living. If you're new now and you love to get creative with desserts, especially Kyle's Creations, click that subscribe button and let's get started. Right, the first step before we make the vanilla butter cookies, we're going to soak the cashews. We're going to soak it in water. So it's about 3/4 plus 1 tablespoon of raw cashews. And we're going to soak it with some dates because we want that to be soft. And take some hot water just until covered and let that soak for half an hour to an hour. Cashews are going to become soft and absorb a lot of that water. So first thing, we're going to make the base for these vanilla butter cookies, which, as the name says, means we're going to use some butter. This is 7 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Going in there. I have my strainer. Powdered sugar is going in there. Sift that. Get the paddle attachment. And we're going to cream this for a few minutes. It's going to turn a pale color because we're incorporating a little bit of air into this. There we go. Once the butter is pale with the sugar and some incorporated air, we're going to zest some orange zest in there. You don't need to do a full orange. Now we're going to sift the rest of the dry ingredients. I'm going to add some cornstarch, salt, it's not really going to sift, some ground coconut flakes, ground ginger, ground cinnamon, sift that with a little bit of sifted flour. On low to mix, and just add the rest. I'm just tapping the sides to make this easier to mix together. You guys can see the consistency. See, now it's fully together like a ball. It's ready. Bring everything down. Make a bench scraper, flatten this back. Okay, I didn't put any tip because it's not going to come through, and we're just going to pipe this. So if you notice, this recipe requires no eggs. Now this is going in the oven at 350 degrees for about 12 to 13 minutes. And check on it soon. Now we're going to make the cashew cream filling. Starting off, I'm using almond milk, or you can use coconut milk, or even regular milk. Some ground ginger. I'm going to use a little bit of zest and a little bit of juice. Add some honey and the cashews along with the dates, and just blend it. You could put this as a filling for a cake, put it inside a cupcake. Add a touch cinnamon, add a little bit of salt, and a touch of vanilla, half a teaspoon. Beautiful consistency. Look at that. Right, so this is how we're going to do this. Top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. These two belong together, so we're just going to switch this out. Okay, and we're going to pipe it. Too much on this one. There we go. Alright, let's try one right now. Wow, guys, that is so delicious. Definitely tastes butter, just a hint of it. Definitely tastes some honey, and that vanilla comes through as well. Wonderful balance of flavor between the orange zest that's coming from this base cookie and the lime zest that's actually balancing out a little bit of that sweetness with some more tart and slight bitterness to it. This is a wonderful cookie. You guys can make this lovely. If you want, you can add more sugar. I just added less sugar so that you can always add more as needed, and you can make this recipe your own. That's the wonderful part about Kyle's Creations. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I have 2 other cookies that are perfect for you guys to make. I have a chocolate chip cookie. Check that one after this. It's delicious, it's wonderful, and I even add cinnamon to it. And the next cookie is a different cookie. It is an apricot jam sesame cookie. The base uses sesame seeds. I teach you how to make your own jam, which is the wonderful part, is now that you get to make this jam for a long period of time and enjoy all the wonderful cookies or other desserts or spreads that you can use this jam for. Stay tuned for the next episode and take care.